Well, it's March the 2nd, 2014 at about 10:30 in the morning. And right now there is not a whole lot happening, although in the direction I'm looking there is some nastiness on the way, possibly. Thunder, sleet, hail, pea-sized hail. Right now, as you can see, if I can zoom in here, the streets are in pretty good shape. Although there is right now just little tiny flakes of sleet, I guess you'd call it. It's not really snow coming down out of the sky. So stay tuned and I'll try to catch this event as it unfolds. As you can see, the streets now, it's about 11:15 or so, still in the morning hours. As you can see, the sleet coming down. It's really tiny little crystals. This is a close-up of a bird bath, and you can kind of get an idea for the accumulation that we've had. So this has been kind of an interesting little winter storm so far.